love kimchi but have no idea how it's made? Well, that's fine, me either. Today we're making my shortcut cucumber kimchi. To make this recipe, you're going to need 1 English cucumber, 1 green onion, 2 cloves of garlic, 1 teaspoon of red pepper flakes, and 2 tablespoons of kosher salt. I'm going to start by trimming the ends off of the cucumber. And now I'm going to cut the cucumber lengthwise in half. Now I'm going to slice the cucumber into inch-long pieces. Next, I have a bowl full of ice, which I'm going to add 2 cups of water to. I'm going to add the 2 tablespoons of salt. And now mix. Now that I've mixed the ice, the salt, and the water together, I'm going to add the cucumber. And this is going to sit for around 10 minutes. Now just to stir this together. While the cucumber is soaking, I'm going to start by chopping these green onions. You want to dice these fairly thin. Now I'm going to add the green onions to a bowl and set aside. Next, I'm going to smash these garlic cloves, basically turning them into a paste. Now that the garlic's basically a paste, I'm going to add it to my green onion. Now that I think about it, I think a garlic press would probably have been a little bit easier. And finally, I'm going to add the crushed red pepper flakes to the mixture. The cucumber's been soaking for 10 minutes, and now I'm going to skim off the last few pieces of ice. With the ice removed, I'm going to strain the cucumber. With the cucumber strained, I'm going to add it to a mixing bowl. And finally, I'm going to add in the garlic and pepper mixture. I'm going to finish this dish by combining all the ingredients. I've taken these easy to find ingredients and made a wonderful kimchi, so now it's time to try. That's so damn good. This kimchi is easy, healthy, and fresh. If you like the recipe, like the video, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. And in the meantime, check out one of the videos over here. And check this one out too. Check them both out.